Hey everyone, if you're using Kajabi to create content and capture leads and want to sync those leads with ActiveCampaign, I've got you covered. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Kajabi opt-in form to ActiveCampaign so you can nurture your leads automatically. So let's get into it. We'll be using Zapier to make this connection. So first log into Zapier and create a new Zap. For the trigger app, choose Kajabi. Here we go. Now we're going to select New Form Submission as the trigger event. Also remember to sign in to your Kajabi account. All right, so this will trigger the automation every time someone submits a form in Kajabi. Also remember to map your Kajabi opt-in form to ActiveCampaign. Next, let's set ActiveCampaign as the action app. Also remember to log into your ActiveCampaign account. All right, so here you can decide what happens. We can add the lead to a specific email list or tag them based on their interest. Let's see, or even sending an automated welcome email. All right, so let's use a tag here. Great. Once everything is mapped, your Kajabi opt-ins will be synced with ActiveCampaign automatically. And then you can go ahead and test it out, see that everything is working properly, and then you can turn your Zap on. This integration is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their lead nurturing process. So if you are new to ActiveCampaign, check out the free trial link in the description and start automating your workflows today. I'll see you in the next one.